Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Start by Trishna. This is Trishna, and guys, today I am here with a new video in which I am going to be solving the problems of online classes of a student nowadays. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, actually nowadays there are many problems we are facing because we don't have an exact experience of online classes, online exams. We have an experience of going to school, taking notes from the teachers directly, and if we have does not completed the work, so completed it in the recess, so many things we have to done in the school. But nowadays we are stuck at home, so the things we are doing in the school we have to done in the house. So we are facing many problems because in the house there is a different environment and there are many distractions also. In school there was a particular environment only to study, but here is a very different environment from the school, but we have to study in this environment also. So here I am with some hacks. The first hack of this video is study for 25 minutes and take a 5 minutes break. Actually this method, this trick is known as Pomodoro technique. This is actually our mind just have a productiveness till 25 minutes, and after 25 minutes we just starting to lose our productivity. So we have to take a break for 5 minutes after every 25 minutes of a study period. So this is a very helpful hack for every student who can't focus on study for a longer time and get distracted many times. This is a very good study because we have set in our mind that we have to study till 3 hours, so our mind get bored again and again. But after this hack we try, just our mind will say, yeah, I have to do it only 25 minutes, so after 25 minutes I will go and take a break of 5 minutes. So the second hack is study in a best place. It's upon you guys because you are studying, so you have to choose that in which place you study better. Like some students like to study in the study tables. They are more productiveness in the study table for those students. Some students like to study in bed. They have the more productiveness in the bed, and some students like to study in the ground, so they like to study. So like that, where do you like to study there, because if we are studying in an uncomfortable place, so we can't study for a longer time. So we have to study for a longer time, so we have to take a particular comfort place to study. So the next hack is the next study hack is eat while the break. So I have till the first hack, so take 25 minutes of study period and then 5 minutes break. Like that, when you are taking a 5 minutes break, you have to take something to eat. Like if you are having a craving to eat something, so you have to eat during that period, not in the study period. If you are eating something during your study period, so I think it will be a distraction for you guys. So I don't eat during study. So if you have to take a break for 5 minutes, so go and take a break, eat something, and then after 5 minutes and just go to your study. So the next hack is make a perfect time. This is a very difficult hack which I can say for our students. Actually our parents every time say make a timetable, make a timetable, make a timetable, but we have to make every time we make a timetable, but we can't follow that particular timetable. Just if we have done 4 hours study, 2 hours entertainment, so we will do 3 hours entertainment and 2 hours study. We will do the opposite of the timetable. So how to follow a particular timetable if you want, so comment me down to make that video, and if you want, so I will sure make I will. So this follow a timetable, we have to make a realistic timetable which we can really follow it. Actually, whenever we make a timetable, we make it like an idealist timetable, like just it will be a idealist timetable that we have to study 10 hours, we have to eat only in 1 hour, and we have to entertain only 1 hour. But that is possible which student is studying 1 hour till yesterday, and today he or she will tell that he will study 10 hours. Is this possible? No. If you are studying 1 hour, increase sometime. 2 hours I will study tomorrow. After tomorrow, 3 hours, 4 hours. Like increase it slowly, slowly. Don't increase like just here I am, I will go here. No. Like this we have to go to follow the timetable. It should be a realistic timetable. The next hack is take the study materials when you are going to study. This is a very good hack. Actually, now we are on home, so whenever we are studying something, so if we need something like we need a pen, pencil, highlighter, a whitener, or something like books, something papers, so we go again and again to take them. No, we will not do like that. If you want something, just bring that things in before starting your study, or whenever you have taken the 5 minutes break, that time you will take that items, not during the 25 minutes of study. Don't take that things, because it will increase your distraction level, and it will not give you like that productivity to study 25 minutes. Okay, the next is understand. This is my favorite hack because I'm a student which does not learn anything. I does not like anything to learn, because if I will learn, I know before the exam I will forget everything for the tension of my exam, how I will score so good marks. So I will never learn. I think I have learned in my that previous classes like 1 2 3, but now I'm in 7, so I does not learn anything. I don't prefer to learn, because I prefer to understand the topic. Because if I understand the topic, language subject, that is a different thing, but like science, English, in that things you have to understand the topic. If you have understand, so automatically you will be able to answer the questions of the chapter, and it automatically that feel you have that I have learned everything. But if you give every time to learn, so I don't think that it will be good, because during exam everything will be forgot in our mind. But if we have understand the chapter, during exam we have remind, yeah, that chapter he has done that, he has done that, so we will write in our words the answer. So the next study hack is read. We are reading a chapter for the first time, or for time we are reading, that is science, English, SST, or any chapter we are reading. Read aloud. This is a psychological fact. If we read these chapters for the first time or any time we are reading, we will read aloud, so it will be able our mind to just understand it properly. If we read like just we are murmuring something, so we can't learn anything. If we are reading loudly, so it can be very helpful for our studies. So the next hack is study according to your choice. Actually, some students are morning students, some students are night students, some students are evening, some afternoon. Like which I am telling that some students like to study in their time. Like I am a student, so I like to study in evening. I am very productive during evening, and I like to study in evening, so I does it. But if you like to study in morning, so just get up early and study. If you like to do in afternoon, just have your lunch, just take a little bit break, a nap, and start studying from 3 o'clock to 7 to 5 o'clock. And if you are a night evening person like me, so study from 6 or 7 and end at 9 or 10. If you are a night study, so if you like night study, so just start it from 9 or 10 and end it at 11 or 12. And if you are or if you are one of these four things, so follow according to your choice, your productiveness, when you want to learn, when you want to understand the topic, when you have that much of productiveness during in yourself, so study in that time by your choice. Next is wear comfortable clothes during study. So we does wear, if so guys, actually whenever we study we wear cotton clothes. It is very comfortable. Can you think when we are studying we wear a fancy dress? No, it will become a distraction for us. It will itching here, and our study will be distracted. So we wear very comfortable dresses like I have wear now. So it's very comfortable during summers, or whenever if you are in winter, wear a sweater and very comfortable sweater to study, because these help you guys for study help. So the next is do regular practice. Guys, there was one subject very hard for me actually, and many of the students also, which is the math. Actually guys, math is a very difficult subject for some students, and some students it is very easy. Why you have to think that the students which is scoring highest mark in the maths, when we know that he is scoring the highest marks, we are thinking, oh, how it's scoring the highest marks in the exam in maths, how this is possible? Because guys, this is possible by practicing it. Actually math is a very difficult subject, so we have to take every day practice. If you want to study maths for half an hour, it's good. Practice every day half an hour maths. Just take a exercise in one day and complete it in half an hour or 1 hour, how it will take. Second day, second exercise. Third day, third exercise. After 7 to 8 days your chapter will be completed, next chapter you will go. And after completing your syllabus, just come again to the first chapter and do again practice of that, which I have done, which I am continuing now also, which literally helps you during your maths. Yeah, this is our 10 study hacks to solve the problems of the students which are facing nowadays, like I was facing, and then I applied these hacks, and really these 10 hacks are very helpful, and I have experienced these all hacks, so I am telling to you guys. So if you want like this video, if you think that this is a helpful video for you guys, just give it a like button, click the like button and subscribe my channel, and hit that bell button to get the notification of my video whenever I upload any video. And comment me down that which type of video you want, or if you want a timetable video, how to follow a particular timetable, so I will make it sure. Just give it in comment section what you want, and share to your friends who are facing these type of problems. To solve their problems, just share. So till now, bye bye.